Hey everybody, Mandy here, and welcome back to Craft Corner. I've got some really exciting things to show you, and it is in the shape of a dispenser like this, and it is called glue dots. And instead of your traditional tape dispenser, what you get out of it is a lovely little strip with these teeny tiny little dots of adhesive, and they are very powerful. They practically stick to anything, any type of material you can imagine. And I've got a little craft for you that I'm going to show you how to use today. So something that I really have gotten into lately is repurposing things. Instead of going out and buying new materials, there's so many things around your house that you can turn from one thing into another. I am a big proponent of BirchBox. So I've taken that and turned it into a lovely little stationery box that you can gift to your mom or your wife or sister or whoever for Mother's Day. So first things first, I got some awesome metallic spray paint because metallics look good on everything. So the first thing I did was spray paint the outer portions, the top and bottom of my box. Then the next thing I did was I got this fabulous Martha Stewart chalkboard paint. It's amazing. All I did was made a little border around the edges here. I used the washi tape because it's easier to pull up and it's not gonna pull up the spray paint after you spray paint your box. It's gonna leave a nice clean edge. And then I painted the chalkboard paint within the border that I created. So after I painted my chalkboard paint, I got out my glue dots and some ribbon. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, I took these glue dots and I placed them, I'll show you on this one, this trial box. I placed them on the box and then put the ribbon down on top of it to make the border around my chalkboard. And it was so easy and it sticks. It's so sticky and it's so adhesive that it's almost like hot glue, except you don't have to worry about burning your fingers, and it's just as tacky. I found these really awesome chalk pens. It's exactly like a paint pen, except it's chalk. So when you write on your chalkboard paint, it's going to erase. So for my stationery box top, I chose the month of May, and then all of the dates that are important to send a card, I wrote the date, and then it's Anne's birthday on the 4th, it's Mother's Day on the 10th. I've got other birthdays and anniversaries, any occasion where you would send a card, you just write it, and then the fun part, you get to fill the bottom box with all the stationery needs. Some cute pencils, maybe a fancy schmancy pen, washi tape, obviously. You've seen these before. We worked with these during our Valentine's Day stationery videos, these really cute rolly stamps. And then add some cards, some birthday cards, maybe a thank you, any kind of occasion cards that you find. You can fill that box. So one last thing, on the lid of the box, you can see I've added an envelope here. I used 4 glue dots because that is all you need, really. It's super, super sticky, and some really cute stickers. But I cut off the top of the envelope where you lick it, the little triangle part, attached it to the top of the lid, and then that becomes the perfect pocket for some stickers. And of course, any stationery box needs some stamps. It's just a great little pocket, so she always knows where the stamps and stickers are. They're not gonna get lost in the box or anything like that. And then that is such a cute little gift to give anybody who doesn't love stationery. So that's my little glue dot craft for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video and you want to see some more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.